Tonight I found the toad sleep on the wet ground because this is a dry season, so it needs to wet ground, or we can say soil, and waiting to catch insect for their food. And every night it come here to stay under the vegetable plant, and this is a small one, you can see. Okay, it come to stay here too because the toad need the wet soil, and every night they come here. When the daytime they go hide when the daytime it goes to hide from the people. At night time they come to stay here to catch insect or food. Okay, this is a big one. And don't forget like and subscribe to my channel. I will show you what the animal live. Thank you for your support my channel. Bye bye.